If you are wondering, where is this guy? Yeah, this isn't the normal kitchen I'm always working in. I'm down in Cape Town. Since lockdown level 1 has happened, we can start traveling again. And what do you do when you travel? You eat out a lot, which I've been doing, but I was craving something that reminds me of home. So I'm going to be making sorghum flapjacks. The nice thing with these sorghum flapjacks is that they are gluten-free. What we're going to do is pour the melted butter into our bowl already. You're going to need 2 whole eggs. Into your melted butter they go. You need 2 tablespoons of the honey. A beautiful Fynbos honey. Chef measurements, of course. Okay, that is 1. Don't be shy with the honey. Yeah, just put it in there. Stir that up. So all your wet ingredients in there. Our buttermilk as well. You can tell I'm in an Airbnb because I'm not using a whisk. I don't have a whisk. Use a whisk at home, don't be like me. 2 cups of buttermilk. Stirring with a measuring spoon. This is what happens with travel cooking. I'm not even wearing an apron. So we've got our wet mixed together, and now for our dry. Sorghum flour is already in there, sifted. 160 grams of rice flour. And always sieve your flour. Baking powder, teaspoon, not tablespoon, teaspoon. And then 1 teaspoon of bicarb of soda. About a teaspoon of salt. 2 teaspoons, oopsie, as I make a mess everywhere, of vanilla extract. You're going to take it dry now and slowly, to avoid lumps, don't put it all in there in one go. Mix it all together and use a bigger bowl. Because I'm a traveling chef, I didn't come with my bowls. Done. And there's our flapjack batter. So you're going to put your oil into your pan on the highest heat possible. The reason why, we are going to make our pan non-stick, like proper non-stick. So very, very high heat, get the oil spread around it. And then once it gets very hot, you lower the heat to a medium heat. You do not want to be making flapjacks on a high heat. Our flavor burst, blueberries, that's also on a high heat. Our Fynbos honey into our berries. So get about a spoonful into your pan. Also that's going. Our flavor burst compote with the honey is also going. To tell if your flapjacks are ready, these bubbles that are popping, once those stop popping and stop coming up, that means it's time for you to flip. So we're done with the flapjack. This is the last one, and the coup de grace, our beautiful flavor burst compote on top. Whatever you do, you have to make this at home. Remember, these are gluten-free, but they don't look gluten-free. Follow that recipe. You will thank me for days and days. Now you can do it at home as well.